There are some creators uploading consistently on YouTube, but yet when you search their channel, you can barely find them on YouTube or even in Google. It's not because your content is bad, it's just because of some major settings that you need to put in place in your YouTube studio that you have not done yet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some very important settings on your YouTube studio dashboard, especially if you just started creating content on YouTube and you have not really taken your time to set up your channel properly. This video is going to guide you on the important settings that is very crucial for your YouTube growth and visibility. Now, let's dive in. So here I am on my YouTube studio dashboard, and what we are going to do is head straight over to setting. All right. So now here is where you are going to go through all the steps and set up your channel properly. Now, under channel, we have basic info. Of course, your country of residence is important. Always make sure you are putting the country where you are located, all right? So if you live in Nigeria, put it there. If you live in the USA, put your country of residence, because during monetization, it is very important that everything is set up accordingly. So now, over here, we have the channel keyword. Now, this is very, very important because this channel keyword help your channel position itself in the way that the YouTube will understand what your channel is about. So if your channel keywords are not set up and you are just uploading your videos, the YouTube algorithm might find it challenging to understand exactly what your video or what your channel is all about. Even before you post your first video on YouTube, make sure that your channel keywords are intact. I understand that it can be challenging to know which keywords to use and all that. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can actually create an excellent keyword list and paste it here. All you need to do is head over to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT what your niche is, the type of videos to create, and then it's just going to help you generate some keywords that you can copy and paste here. So now, under this same tab, you can see we have what we call the advanced setting. Now, this part here, some channels automatically is defaulted to yes, the channel is made for kids, and this can limit the reach of your content. Okay, so if you just started creating content on YouTube and you have not taken your time to check out all your settings to ensure that your channel is set up properly, please go straight now to advanced setting and ensure that your channel is set to not made for kids. So this automatically, YouTube will know that they can push your videos to the adults as from 18 years old on, all right? And then there's a new feature that YouTube introduced to their studio, which is the automatic dubbing, okay? So automatic dubbing basically is going into YouTube, making your videos appear in different languages. It means, for example, somebody watching your video in France and doesn't speak English, YouTube is automatically going to dub your video to their French language. So this is another way that you can maximize your views, because with this automatic dubbing, your videos are being shown to different people that speak different languages, all right? But again, you have to use wisdom, because depending on the niche you find yourself in, it might be wise to turn it off rather than turning it on. Okay, another important setting that you really should not ignore is your upload default. Okay, in your upload default, you don't need to have a default title, because obviously each time you create a video, your video is going to be talking about different topics, I assume. So having a default title is not going to do your channel any good. So always create new titles for each videos. And then under the description, there is also no need to have a upload default description, because obviously your videos are going to be talking about different stuff and you still need appropriate description for each video. So but what you can do instead is, if you have any affiliate links or you need people to reach out to you for collaboration, you can put your email here. You can put your affiliate links here, all right? So that each time you upload a video, you don't need to always redo those things. And then now your channel visibility, I recommend putting it on private, okay? Put your upload default on private. So that way, when you upload your videos, it doesn't go straight to public, all right? Put it to private and then schedule your video. So that way, YouTube has time to analyze your video, check it for copyright and all that before it eventually goes public. So now that's one part of the setting that you need to look at. And then we have the channel tabs. Now for your channel tabs, you can just have like 3, 4, 5, 6 core tags that defines your channel and the type of videos you create, okay? So you can just put them there, or you can just leave it blank as well. And then each time you create a video, you create relevant tags to that video as well. Now, when you go to advanced settings, there is something I want to highlight here, which is the category of your channel. Now, you can do all you want, but if the category of your channel is not correct, it can affect your visibility a great deal. Because imagine you creating educative videos and then you set your category to entertainment. That means automatically you are telling the YouTube's algorithm to push your video to the wrong audience, because people who want to watch entertaining videos are not interested in learning educational stuff. So these are two different people, two different audience entirely. So ensure you understand the category of your niche and then set your channel accordingly. So if you are into how to do this, how to do that, how to make this, how to do that, so putting your channel on how to and style is more ideal than putting it into people and blog or entertainment, okay? And then if you are into teaching, maybe you teach stuff, you teach things from the Bible, you teach on a particular field, putting your channel on education will be more beneficial to your channel. And then your video language, always set it correctly, okay? I like to put mine in English United States. It's also one of the ways I try to target audience in the United States. Another thing that I want to show if you want more visibility on YouTube is the following. So I'm going to close here now. Then we go over to customization, okay? YouTube customization. Then under YouTube customization, you have, this is where you can edit your description, okay? Your description is another way to set up your channel accordingly. So remember the first part I showed about your channel keyword. Once you tell ChatGPT to generate you keywords for your channel, you can still tell ChatGPT to use those same keywords to create a short description for that same channel. So that way you are really setting up your channel for success. You are optimizing your channel the right way. So that's that. You see here your channel about section. Your channel description is very important. Here, another thing I want to point out is this place here. Your channel layout. Okay. So this is a very important setting that some of us new creators will ignore. A channel trailer is good. If you don't have an official channel trailer, just pick any of your top performing videos and add it here to your channel trailer. Okay. When you click on add section, then you can, I've already used up all my sections here. So but if you want to add any section, what you have to do is to click on this plus sign that says add section, and then you can choose channel trailer and then upload your channel trailer, or choose a video from your channel that is performing well. And then featured video for returning subscribers, add one of your good performing videos there as well. And then you can also choose what YouTube should show on your channel. Like when somebody comes to your channel, the videos that should appear, your For You page, okay? You can optimize all these things. And then another thing that I want to highlight is this one, more setting. Under this more setting, you can choose what you want YouTube to include in your For You page on your channel, okay? So you can choose if you want your shorts to appear in your For You page, if you want your live streams to appear, if you want your recent content only to be appearing in your For You page, or if you want YouTube to always update the For You section with fresh content. Okay, so if you want YouTube to show your last videos, I mean from 12 months ago, like a year old videos, you can choose here. So all these are hidden settings that some new creators are not aware of. So when you are able to set up these things, you will see that your channel will return a new leaf and you start seeing positive results. So I just showed you some key settings on your YouTube Studio dashboard that you have to set up as a small channel trying to monetize. Because personally, I made the mistake of not setting up these things on this particular channel when I started creating content on YouTube. Actually, this my channel here, it's my trial and error channel. I made a lot of mistakes, which I also learned from, and which is now positioning me in a place of experience. Okay, so if you are planning to create a new channel, before you even post your very first video, go through all these settings, set up your channel accordingly. And also part of channel setup is your channel banner, your channel logo, your branding. All these things also comes to you setting up your channel. All right, even if you already posted a few videos on your channel and you have not done all this setting, it's still not too late. You can still make that happen. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel. Help new creators grow here on YouTube and help them monetize faster. So if that sounds interesting to you, do well to subscribe to this channel, like, comment on this video. Let me know if there is a setting that you missed that you want to go and correct now. Until next time, thank you for watching and bye bye for now.